Hello everyone! Are you finding it difficult as to how to place your mosquito coil? Add a paper clip to one of the ends and then make it stand. Light it from the middle. Next, take some bubble wrap and then add a sole to it. Now, taking the marking of the sole, cut it out in the same shape. Stick it to the bottom of your shoe and then it'll add more bouncy support. Now, take a wooden plank and then stick it onto some bubble wrap. Stick this bubble wrap together, add multiple layers to it, and then you may add your tools in it. Now, take multiple bottles and then cut each of them up into half. Make multiple strips out of all of them and then take multiple balls of clay, stick it to the top of each of these. You may do so in layers, stick one on top of the other as such. Next, take multiple hangers and then bend them into half as such. Hang them back onto where you found them and then hang on all of your hangers. Now, it is easily accessible. Now we'll be learning how to make this water spray gun. For this, you will need the top of a spray bottle. Add a little tube to it and then attach it to the bottom and then you can use it. Next, take a hairdryer, add a cloth to the back and then add the top of a bottle to it. Cut a bottle into half and then do this and it acts as a suction. You may suction out all of the dirt from underneath the hard crevices that you find it hard to clean. Take some empty plastic sheets and then fold them up multiple times. Roll it up as such. After you have rolled it up, add it into a plastic cup and then add the top of it. All of these bags are now easily accessible. Now take a mask and then cut out the wire portion of it. Add glue to one of the sides of it using a hot glue gun and then roll it up around your wires to make it easy to roll. Take some fruit foam net. Now, taking some soap, add the fruit foam net underneath it. You may also wrap your glasses in some fruit foam net. Take this particular kind of container and then cut out a V shape out of it. At the top, make a hole out of it and then coming to the base, make multiple holes on either side. You may use a screwdriver heated up in order to make these holes. Now, you may use it to contain your soap and everything else. Next, in order to crush some meat, start off by taking a vessel and then place it on it. Press it down onto a hard surface and it makes it easier to do so. Take a bottle and then cut it up into half. Cut off the base as well and then make a slit through the longer end of it. Now you may use it to hold a curtain in place and remove it as you please. Use this mat in order to cut your vegetables as such. After you are done with it, you may wash it. Next, you may use a flossing stick to take out the different sorts of meat that might be stuck in your mouth and your teeth. Use this dispenser in order to do so. Refill the container as need be. Now we have a hack for you to make your watermelon cutting all the more easier. Cut it up in strips as such and then turn it and then make it into cubes. Thank you for watching.